What's up guys, and welcome to the Coupon Club. If you're new here, welcome and thank you for joining us. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best deals which you can find at CVS. And by best deals, I just mean deals which you can find for free, under $1 per item, or even some money makers. And now if you were planning on shopping in store this week for any makeup, jewelry, greeting cards, or any as seen on TV items, just a heads up that CVS Corporate did send out an email to certain states and locations informing them to no longer sell these products until further notice. Now I know that none of the stores by me are doing this, so if I needed to go to the store and wanted to pick up any of these items, I still could, but I just wanted to make you guys aware of the situation. So if this is a concern for you and you think your store might not be carrying these items and there's something you want to pick up, I would suggest just calling the store and asking them. And the reason I think that they're doing this is because these items are non-essential items, so they're kind of trying to promote people to, or kind of force people to not come to the store to get these items at all and to shop for them online if they want to get them. And of course that would be because of the whole corona pandemic going on right now. Anyways, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel down below and ring that bell so you never miss out on these deals. And of course, give this video a big like. So our first deal this week is on the Summer's Eve products, and they're on a promotion for buy one get one 50% off. And when you buy two, you can get a $3 extra buck. So if you pick up two of the Summer's Eve cleansing cloths priced at $3.69 each, that'll make your subtotal $5.54. And if you have a $2 off of two feminine care CRT, this will make your subtotal just $3.54, but you'll get back a $3 extra buck, making your final cost just 54 cents or 27 cents each. Our next deal is on the Hydro Silk, and they're on promotion this week for buy one and get a $4 extra buck. So if you picked up one of the Hydro Silk razors priced at $8.99 and use a $5 off of Chic Razor CRT, this will knock your subtotal down to just $3.99 and you'll get back a $4 extra buck. So if you roll the $4 extra buck into this transaction, you'll be able to get this razor for completely free. Our next deal is on the Irish Spring Body Wash, which is on promo for buy three and get a $5 extra buck. So if you did just that, bought three of the Irish Spring Body Washes priced at $3.99 each, this will make your subtotal $11.97. But go ahead and print out three of the 75-cent off one coupons found at irishspring.com and use a $3 off of 12 body wash CRT. With all these coupons, that'll bring your subtotal down to $6.72, but you'll get a $5 extra buck back, making your final cost just $1.72 or just 57 each for one of these nice body washes. So we have a promo on Speed Stick deodorant this week. They are on sale 2 for $5.50, and when you buy two, you'll get a $2.50 extra buck. So if you picked up two of the Speed Stick deodorants, either the men's or the women's, your subtotal will be $5.50, but there's a 50-cent off internet printable coupon available at speedstick.com. So go ahead and print out two of these and use them towards your transaction, and this will make your subtotal just $4.50, but you'll get back a $2.50 extra buck, making your final cost $2 or just $1 each. And to make this deal even better, if you have a $1 off of two Speed Stick CRT, go ahead and throw that into the mix, and your final cost will just be $3.50, and you'll get back your $2.50 extra buck, making your final cost just $1 or 50 cents each. We have a great deal on some Colgate products this week. They're on a promotion for spend 10 and get a $5 extra buck. So this is kind of a glitch deal because with this Colgate Total Advanced Daily Repair toothpaste, it's priced at $4.99, and if you check out online, this $3 off of whitening CRT is attaching to this product, but it's not supposed to be. So go ahead and pick up one of these Total Advanced Daily Repair toothpaste priced at $4.99 and one of the Colgate mouthwashes priced at $6.99. And this is going to be one of the big ones, one of the 1 liters. For both of these products, your subtotal will be $11.98, but again, you have that $3 off of whitening CRT, which is glitching on the toothpaste, and go ahead and use a $3 off of 12 oral care CRT. This will bring your subtotal to $5.98, but you'll receive a $5 extra buck at the end of your purchase, making the final cost just 98 cents or 45 cents each. We also have a great deal on the Garnier facial care this week. They're on sale for buy one get one 50% off, and when you buy two, you'll receive a $5 extra buck. So if you were to pick up two of the Garnier Micellar face wipes priced at $7.59 each, your total for both of them will be $11.39. But go ahead and use two of the $3 off of Micellar Water CRTs and a $1 off of Garnier Micellar Water Digital. With all of these coupons, your subtotal will be $4.39, but you'll receive a $5 extra buck reward, making your final cost free and a little bit of a moneymaker. Now, if you have access to insert coupons and you actually have the inserts from April 5th, you can get this deal for even more of a moneymaker. So go ahead and do the same thing. Pick up 2 of the Garnier Micellar wipes priced at $7.59 each. Use 2 of your $3 off Garnier Micellar water CRTs, but then you're going to want to use a $2 off of Garnier Micellar water insert coupon found in the April 5th Retail Me Not. With all of these coupons, your subtotal will be $3.39, but you'll get back a $5 extra buck, making the final cost free, plus a 75-cent moneymaker. Now, I personally don't like the facial wipes. I actually like the Garnier Liquid Micellar Water. So a deal what you can do in order to pick one of these up is to pick up one of the Garnier Micellar Water Liquids, priced at $8.99, and one of the Garnier Moisturizers, also priced at $8.99. And remember that the Garnier Facial Care are in promotion for buy one, get one 50% off. So for both, your subtotal will be $13.49. For this deal, you're going to want to use one $3 off Garnier Micellar Water CRT, one $3 off Garnier Moisturizer insert coupons found in the Retail Me Not from April 5th, and one of the $2 off Garnier Micellar Water insert coupons, again found in the Retail Me Not from April 5th. After these coupons, your subtotal will be $6.49, but you'll receive a $5 extra buck reward, making your final cost just $1.49 or 75 cents each, which is a great deal, especially for picking up this liquid micellar water. So next up we have the Skintimate Shave Gel, and if you have a $2 off of Skintimate Shave CRT, go ahead and pick up one of the 2.75 ounces Skintimate Shave Gels. These are only priced at $2.39, and the CRT does work for this product, so that'll make the cost for this just 39 cents. Now, I also received a $5 off of Cetaphil product CRT. So a product you can pick up with this is the Cetaphil Gentle Cleansing Bar, which is priced at $5.99. And after the CRT, that'll make the cost for this just 99 cents. We also have a few hair care deals this week, starting off with the L'Oreal Elvive. So they're on promotion for buy one, get one 50% off. And if you buy 2, you'll get a $4 extra buck. So at my store, these are priced at $5.29 each. So if you picked up 2 of them, that'll make your subtotal just $7.93. But there's also a $4 off of 2 L'Oreal Elvive insert coupon down in the Retail Me Not from April 5th. So use this to make your subtotal just $3.93, and you'll get back a $4 extra buck, making your final cost completely free. Another hair care promotion going on this week is on the Head & Shoulders. So if you combine this deal with the L'Oreal Elvive deal, you'll actually be able to pick up 4 products for just 36 cents each. So here's what you need to do. Start off by picking up 2 of the L'Oreal Elvives priced at $5.29 each. And remember, they're also on sale for buy one, get one 50% off. The Head & Shoulders, you're also going to want to pick up 2 of these, and they're on sale 2 for $12. So for all 4 of these products, your subtotal will be $19.93. But go ahead and use your $4 off of 2 L'Oreal Elvive insert coupon from the Retail Me Not on April 5th. There's also a $3 off of 2 Head & Shoulders digital, along with a 50-cent off Head & Shoulders app-only digital. And for our last coupon, you're going to want to use a $4 off of 18 hair care CRT. After all of these coupons, your subtotal will be $8.43, and you'll be receiving a $7 extra buck, making your final cost $1.43 for 4 items or just 36 cents each. So the last hair care deal I have to share with you guys this week is on the Bio Essence Renew. So these are on promotion, buy 2 and get a $2 extra buck, and they're also on sale 2 for $10. So if you pick up 2 of these for $10 and use a $3 off of 2 Herbal Essence Bio Renew CRT and a $3 off of 2 digital, your out-of-pocket subtotal will be $4, but you'll receive a $2 extra buck at the end of your purchase, making the final cost just $2 or $1 for each of these. Now we're going to move on to our cosmetics deals, starting off with the Almay Cosmetics. They're on promo for spend 10 and get a $4 extra buck. So if you pick up 1 of the Almay blushes priced at $11.99 and use a $4 off of Almay face insert coupon found in the Smart Stores from April 5th, and the $3 off of Almay CRT, which is printing for everybody starting this Sunday, April 12th at that red box machine inside the store. After both of these coupons, your total will be $4.99, but you'll receive a $4 extra buck, making your final cost just 99 cents. Now we also have a great promotion on the Maybelline Cosmetics this week. They're on promotion for buy 2 and get a $5 extra buck, but they're also buy 1 get 1 50% off. So if you picked up one of the concealers at $7.79 and one of the mascaras at $7.30, and remember they're buy 1 get 1 50, your subtotal will be $11.44. So hopefully you still have that $5 Maybelline CRT, which printed for everybody last week at that Redbox machine. If you do, go ahead and use that along with a $4 off Maybelline face coupon from the Retail Me Not on April 5th and a $3 off of Maybelline mascara coupon again in the Retail Me Not from April 5th. The last coupon you want for this deal is a $1 off of Maybelline mascara digital, and this is a app only. And after all of these coupons, your subtotal will be just 44 cents, but you'll get back a $5 extra buck, making your final cost free and a $4.57 moneymaker. So suppose you don't have any of these coupons, what you can do is pick up 2 of the Maybelline Baby Lips priced at $4.79 each, and they're buy one get one 50% off, so 2 of them will cost you $7.19. So at the end of your transaction, you'll receive a $5 extra buck reward, making the cost for both of these $2.18 or just $1.09 each. Now our good old CoverGirl deal is back again this week for buy 2 and get a $6 extra buck. So if you want to pick up 2 of the brow pencils priced at $5.99 each, this will make your subtotal $11.98. Go ahead and use a $3 off of 12 makeup CRT and 2 of the $3 off CoverGirl eye coupons from inboxdollars.com. And guys, really quick, I print all my coupons from inboxdollars.com and I recommend you do too because you can get paid for it. So at inboxdollars.com, all the coupons available to you are the same exact coupons which are on coupons.com, except for every coupon that you print, you get a penny, but you also get an additional 25 cents when you use that coupon in the store. So you're literally getting paid to print and use your coupons. And I use this all the time and I recommend you guys do too. I am no longer using coupons.com and I will not go back. Anyways, after your $3 off of 12 CRT and 2 of these printable coupons, which I actually believe are no longer available, but I'm not sure, your subtotal will be $2.98, but you'll receive a $6 extra buck reward, making your final cost free and a $3 moneymaker. Another deal which you can do with the CoverGirl Cosmetics is to pick up 1 of the CoverGirl lipsticks at $6.79 and 1 of the CoverGirl brow pencils at $5.99. So for both of these, your total will be $12.78. But go ahead and use a $3 off of 12 makeup CRT, a $2 off of CoverGirl Lip Digital, and 1 of the $3 off of CoverGirl Eye Internet printable coupons from inboxdollars.com. With all of these coupons, your subtotal will be $4.78, but you'll receive a $6 extra buck, making your final cost completely free and a $1.22 moneymaker. So I have another CoverGirl breakdown for you guys, and that's when you pick up 2 of the CoverGirl Professional Mascaras priced at $6.79, and then go ahead and use a $2 off of 12 makeup CRT and 2 of the $3 off of CoverGirl Eye Internet printable coupons from inboxdollars.com. Your subtotal will be $4.58, but you'll receive a $6 extra buck, making your final cost for both of these mascaras completely free and a $1.42 moneymaker. So the final deal I have to share with you guys this week is on the Wet n Wild Cosmetics, and they're on promotion for spend $10 and get a $7 extra buck. So if you picked up 3 of their lip glosses priced at $2.99 each and 1 of their lip liners priced at $1.79, this will bring your subtotal to just $10.76, but you'll get back a $7 extra buck reward, no coupons needed, and your subtotal will be $3.76, which breaks down to just 94 cents each. If you want to get your Wet n Wild products a little cheaper, what you can do is pick up 7 products priced at $1.79 each, and this will make your subtotal just at $12.53. But go ahead and use a $3 off of 12 makeup CRT, making your subtotal out of pocket just $9.53, but you'll receive a $7 extra buck, so your final cost will be $2.53 or 36 cents each. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed these deals. If you did, let me know in the comments section down below. And of course, you can also show me by giving this video a big like. Alright, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.